Okinawa Flat Belly Review – Real truth about Okinawa Flat Belly Supplement. Are you in need of a perfect solution to aid your weight loss journey to achieve the results you desire? We have something to help you lose weight perfectly. Of course, you are not doing bad. You are trying your best to lose weight and maintain perfect shape. I mean, if you find a stress-free solution to help you lose weight and maintain a perfect shape, without you lifting a finger, wouldn't you opt for that? In the former case, the body systems of some individuals retain more body fats and enhance fat buildup, while others do not, an influence of genetic peculiarities. In the area of diet, much intake of foods that contain many fats, especially animal fats, while exercising could hamper your weight loss journey. Losing weight effectively involves a lot, which must not include total abstinence from the consumption of animal fats and everyday workout, which can be very time-consuming and stretch your body too far. Weight loss supplements improve body metabolism, and can help give you the desired results in your weight loss journey. And one of the highly recommended and effective weight loss supplements that tackle body fats, is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The Okinawa Flat Belly supplement is highly recommended, due to the fast results it produces and how effective it is.